May I ask you something?
Yes. What is your question?
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
What is your job?
I am a student.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy at the moment.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 8 hours a night.
How was your day?
Really good.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English when I was 5.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 12th.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog and a cat.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Luna.
Do you take your dog to the park often?
Yes, almost every day.
Is there a cafe in the park?
Yes, there's a small cafe near the entrance.
What do you do to relax?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
Are they living nearby?
No, they live in different cities.
How often do you see your parents?
I visit them every weekend.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, I usually have cereal and coffee.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work remotely most of the time.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 9 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read for about 40 minutes.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise in the morning.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I go for a run.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausages.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch thrillers on TV.
What's the weather like today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to paint.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain on my last vacation.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little bit.
Where is your favorite place to visit in your city?
My favorite place to visit in my city is the park.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the movies.
Do you play sports?
No. I used to swim every day though.
Where do you go shopping?
Boutiques in my neighborhood.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, at the end of the block.
Have you got a car?
Yes, I drive a sedan.